If you're brand new to harmonica, here's something that'll save you a lot of time and frustration. We're going to talk about how to hold the harmonica. The lower notes on the harmonica are on the left side, the higher notes are on the right. There are some people that play upside down. I wouldn't recommend it. So hole number 1 should be on your left, hole number 10 is on the right as you're reading it. We want to hold the harmonica in our left hand. What we do is we want to put it all the way in to the crook of our palm there on the side. Then we just close our first finger and our thumb. We can just hold it with 2 fingers. If we look on down the side there, that's how I'm holding it. Just like that. From the front. Every time we're playing harmonica, we want to be nice and relaxed. You want to hold the harmonica lightly. You don't need to crush it, don't need to squeeze it. If you grip it too tightly, it's just kind of going to factor into everything that you're doing. You're going to tense up and everything. We want to be nice and relaxed when we play. Holding it in this grip gives us a few advantages, and there's reasons that we want to hold it this way. Number 1, if we want to close it off and maybe do some kind of hand wah, it's going to give you the best seal around the harmonica. So just real quick, the way we do that, we just kind of close our left fingers around it. So I've already kind of got somewhat of a seal. Put my palms together, fold this over. So I've just got this nice seal all around the harmonica. You can do really cool effects like that. You can do that cowboy kind of thing. Another reason that I feel like doesn't get talked about very often is if you always hold it the same way, it's going to help you identify where you are on the harmonica. My lips are actually touching my left hand when I play the harmonica. I know the feeling in my left hand a bit. It kind of helps me to know where I am. I just kind of know when I'm on that 4 area, I'm somewhere around my knuckle right there. So that can be really helpful because obviously we can't see what we're doing on harmonica. Don't worry about having the perfect grip. As you grab it and do different things, it's going to move around a little bit. Maybe I'm doing this, I got my middle finger behind it, so it's not going to fall. The main things are don't overthink it, hold it lightly, don't grip too hard, relax, and have fun. If you build good habits now, it's going to help you so much in the future. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Click here for the next Harmonica Basics lesson.